What if Insta360 skips the small upgrade and drops a true flagship shockwave? Not a spec bump, not a firmware trick, a real image leap. The Ace Pro 3 rumors hint at something bigger, something built to challenge DJI's latest Osmo Action 6 and even stare down GoPro's Hero 13 Black. So, what's actually cooking? The strongest recurring rumor centers on a larger 1-inch type sensor, possibly around 50 megapixel, tuned with Leica color science again. If true, this is not about resolution bragging rights. It is about dynamic range, cleaner shadows, stronger highlight control, and less noise when light drops. That alone could separate it from the current Action camera pack. Ace Pro 2 already runs a 1x1.3-inch sensor capable of 8K recording with strong HDR processing. It delivers impressive sharpness, but users still push for better thermal management, more consistent high-frame 4K capture, and more natural color without heavy AI sharpening. Rumors suggest Ace Pro 3 keeps 8K recording in play and may offer refined 4K 120 FPS modes. But the real expectation is improved image pipeline efficiency and heat control for longer sustained recording. Now look at the competition. DJI's Osmo Action 6 reportedly emphasizes a larger square sensor design around the 1x1.1-inch class, extended battery endurance, and firmware-driven performance upgrades including higher resolution modes. DJI focuses heavily on stabilization consistency and real-world reliability. GoPro Hero 13 Black continues refining hypersmooth stabilization, vertical capture flexibility, and accessory ecosystem depth. GoPro rarely leads in raw sensor size, but it dominates in tuning, durability, and workflow integration. For Ace Pro 3 to become an Osmo Action 6 killer, it must deliver footage that looks noticeably cleaner in dusk rides, indoor scenes, and high-contrast daylight without aggressive sharpening. A genuine 1-inch jump would change low-light action filming entirely. Anything less becomes incremental. If Insta360 executes this correctly, Ace Pro 3 could reset expectations in the action camera space. But specs alone won't win. Real image improvement will. Do you think Insta360 can outshoot DJI and GoPro this round? Share your take below.